Okay, so now we're going to do the filter, the water, the biofilter. You would take a 2 liter, 1 liter, whatever type of bottle that you want to use, and you would cut it in half like this. Preferably like this will be more because you want as much water to be trapped as possible. So if you're just using what you have around you, you would look for some sand, some grass, and some rocks or gravel or something like that. So the first thing, you always start with what would purify, what would be the last process of purification. So that would be either a cloth or some cotton wool, right? So you'll put that at the bottom. Then you will put your charcoal or your ash. So you can use your ash from the fire, but again, just make sure there's no briquettes or anything that has chemicals in it. Make sure that the ash that you're using is untreated wood completely. No, nothing else. Okay, so you can either put ash or activated charcoal in. Then you would put your sand. Then you would put your layer of grass. And then you would put your rocks or your pebbles. So you would then pour your water, and then it would then filter. Sorry. So this is, if there's only dirty water around you, maybe your water's been turned off, it's now 3 days, maybe there's a burst pipe, those things must not happen, right? The city is busy fixing it, but there's more problems. So you're without water for a long period of time. You can't stand in the queue due to whatever the situation is. You have some dirty water or water around. You can make your own little rudimentary filter. Don't worry about that. That is just the color of the sand and the sediment stuff. It will then filter the water. Normally it's white, but I had a lot of other stuff in here. So it will then filter the water. This filtered water you will then boil, and then you can drink it. Okay, so you can make your own biofilter on your JoJo tank as well if you want to, using this type of concept. Obviously, you would want to use